2018. Yes. Now we can see the mileage, more than 100,000 miles with the code, yes, B0496 EVAP system. Okay. Let's run engine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There's a line on. Okay. Remember, so the idle sometimes too high. Okay. Yeah. You see. Evaporated or per valve not good. Okay. Okay, thank you for your watching and like and subscribe. See you next time. Okay, if you have any questions, so you let about comment and it's the video. Okay, thank you so much every day.